Lip oils are everywhere these days. Kids, adults, even abuelitas are wearing them. Hi, my loves y amores. Today, we're going to go through the top 10 viral lip oils, and I'm going to let you know which ones are worth it and which ones are not. We are starting off with the viral Gisu Honey Infused Lip Oil. Now, this one is currently going for $32, and the name actually means women's hair in Persian. Now, this one is made with real honey. Now, it also has vitamin E, so let's try her. Now, instantly, I love the way that she looks. I love the pink. I love the curvature on the bottle. Now, let's see if it lives up to its hype. Now, it is extremely moisturizing, and a little goes a long way. I feel that the applicator is just really nice. It contours really pretty to the lips. Now, what I did notice is if you put a little too much, it almost looks yellow, which of course it's the honey. We know that it's natural. A little bit goes a long way. And I love the fact that this actually will hydrate your lips afterward. So it's not just a lip oil that you put on and then take off and that's it. It will actually make your lips much more plump and much more moisturized as time goes by. So I definitely feel like this one is worth it. Next is the Noonie Korean Lip Oil, and this one is currently going for $14. Now, this one has argan and raspberry oils, and I do have to say that the bottle is really small, so I want to see how it looks on the lips. So let's try her. Okay, it feels cooling. Immediately when I put on the lips, I feel it cooling. Now, you guys know anything Korean is ahead of its time. So immediately I could feel the cooling. I love the little contour of this little brush. And even though it is a small bottle, I do have to say it feels really light on the lips. It doesn't feel heavy at all. And for a lip oil, it is really pretty. So this one is definitely worth it. This one is the Hermes Infused Lip Oil, and she's currently going for $55. Now, this one has sandalwood and vanilla oils, and I do really like the way that you have the logo at the top, and I love the glass. So let's try her. So the applicator is really small. I feel like I have to be putting in way more to get more product. It feels pretty, and I feel like the color is nice, but for $55, I may love luxury, but this one is not worth it. You're better off finding another lip oil at the drugstore. Next on our list is the Jikimo Lip Oil, and this one is currently going for $6. Now, this one was everywhere because it's supposed to be a Dior dupe. It doesn't feel as expensive. It feels way more cheap. Now, this one does have jojoba oil in it, but I did find that it had a lot of synthetic emollients. I love the dofa. The dofa is really nice. So the color is really pretty, and it does feel moisturizing, but I have to say, because of all those synthetic emollients, I'm gonna have to say no to this one. $6 is not even worth for you to purchase something that's gonna be harmful to your lips. So this one is not worth it. This one is the Revlon Super Lustrous Lip Oil, and this one is going for $9. Now, you guys know that I've been loving the glimmer ones, so I'm curious to see how the lip oil looks on the lips. Now, this one has moringa oil, which is really good for hydration, but I do have to say it does smell really plasticky. And even though it's only $9, I'm gonna have to say no to this one because the smell is just way too plasticky. This one is the e.l.f. Glow Reviver, and this one is currently going for $9. Now, this one has jojoba oil, vitamin E, it has squalene. I have this in various colors because it is very beautiful. Let me show you how it looks on the lips. do you guys see that glimmer? It is absolutely stunning. Now, I can attest to this because I just love e.l.f. I love the way that it has really good ingredients and it just is at such a great price. My only con with this one is that it is minty. So for some people, it could be a little bit irritating, but I have to say for $9 and what it's giving you in the bottle, this one is absolutely worth it. Another luxurious lip oil is the Dolce & Gabbana Lip Care one. Now this one is currently going for $41 and this one has mint and vitamin E. And loves, this feels heavy, it feels expensive. And let's try this one. So although this one has mint in it, it's not in any way overpowering. I feel that it's giving me just that little bit of plump, but it's not bringing any tingleness or discomfort on my lips. It feels really luxurious. And I feel that if you're gonna splurge on a really good lip oil, this one is it. This one is worth it. Now, I know that you guys have seen this brand everywhere. It is Fenty, the Glass Bomb. I love the way the bottle looks. I feel like the size is perfect for on the go. And let's try her. So the curvature of this dofa is excellent because it's really grabbing all of those curves of your lips. And the way that it feels is just so moisturizing. This one has vitamin E, jojoba oil, shea butter. It is full of beautiful ingredients. The only con I have to say is if you like to layer your lip oils, which I will do, I'll put a lipstick and then I'll put a gloss over it. It doesn't mesh very well. So I would say that this is one that you just have to wear on its own. And I mean, it is beautiful. So this one is definitely worth it. This next one needs no introduction because it is everywhere. This is the NYX Fat Oil, and this one is currently going for $10. Now this one has squalene and raspberry, and I love the way this bottle looks. I mean, this neon green stands out on its own, and let's try her. So I can already tell with the ingredients that it is so hydrating. It feels really pretty on the lips. It doesn't feel sticky and the color is absolutely beautiful. So this one is worth it. Next, we have the YSL Plumping Lip Oil. Now this one is going for $40 and this one has ginger oil and fig. Now this one is extremely plumping. So I want to show you guys how it looks on the lips. So the color is absolutely beautiful. I love the purple with the sparkles, but it is extremely plumping and it's very tingling on the lips. Now, if you are someone who wants more of that plump effect, this definitely is. But if you're someone who doesn't really like that tingling, which I don't, I think that it's a little almost burning on the lips. I don't like that. So I would say that this one is not worth it. So there you have it, my top viral lip oils. Now, I do have to say that my favorite one, now don't tell anybody, is the e.l.f., which if e.l.f., you're watching, sponsor your girl. Now, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see more lip gloss videos, check out my playlist up above. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Los amo. Mwah!